Okay, this is the helmet holder. You see it's around 4.5 feet tall, and the hoops are 20 inches apart. I'm waiting for more of them to come in, but I'm going to go ahead and set it up. It's a light or neutral stain, and it gives it a nice satiny look. And that's cedar wood on there. I went ahead and stained the back because it was, I may move it around some, but I have the pads on bottom to keep it from marring the floor. So that's what she looks like kind of in the house. Let's move it to its spot and load it up and do another video there. Okay, I just put the helmet stand over here in front of my all my stuff, my motorcycle equipment, so I can move it around and it don't look bad. It's not in the way. I could even put it in front of my other stand if I wanted. But blends in with the floor and blends in with the other stuff. So I found 2 more helmets inside there, and I can actually needed to make that taller, because if I went up higher I could have put 2 more helmets there. Anyhow, that's what it'll look like now. Simple, easy project. Any of you guys can do that. It's my half helmet. That's my off-road. I used to do a lot of ATVing. There's a open face helmet, and there's a IMB, I think was the name of the company that made that. And I like that design. I'm using it on my street bike because I like the visor, and I may do something to make the visor bigger, but if I do, that'll be in a video. But this video is about this. So it looks good, doesn't take up much room, and just sets up my helmets properly. So anyhow, that's where we're at. You guys have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next video.